Strap in and hold tight as we embark on a whirlwind tour of the skies with the most outlandish choppers ever to defy gravity. From helicopters shaped like flying bananas to Soviet giants that defy all logic. Here's a glimpse into the enigmatic world of aviation, where the strangest military helicopters ever to take flight prove that in the quest for aerial supremacy, sometimes the oddest ideas have the highest merit. H-21 Workhorse. Helicopters come in various shapes and sizes, with some resembling insects and others mimicking birds. The tandem rotor design, featuring two rotors, one in front and one in the back, creates a distinct silhouette often compared to a particular tropical fruit. Earning the nickname Flying Banana for its elongated, curved fuselage, the CH-21 Shawnee was the pioneer of this unique appearance. More than just a quirky nickname, the CH-21 Shawnee was a workhorse helicopter. This heavy lifter could transport up to 20 troops, making it a valuable asset for troop deployment. The U.S. Army and Marine Corps even evaluated its potential for air assault missions. Following a tradition of naming helicopters after Native American tribes, the CH-21 received its name with the Shawnee tribe's approval. Despite its capabilities, the CH-21 Shawnee's service life was relatively short, lasting only 15 years. In the mid-1960s, it was superseded by the significantly more powerful CH-47 Chinook, which remains a mainstay in military aviation today. Mi-12. In the annals of aviation history, the Mi-12 emerges as a titan of Soviet engineering, earning the moniker Homer from NATO and etching its name into the annals of aeronautical lore. Born in the fertile grounds of Soviet innovation during the 1960s, this gargantuan aircraft commands attention not only for its sheer size, but also for its revolutionary design. The most striking feature of the Mi-12 was its unique coaxial rotor system. Unlike conventional helicopters with a single main rotor and a tail rotor, the Mi-12 boasted two massive rotors stacked on top of each other, spinning in opposite directions. This eliminated the need for a tail rotor, a key factor in achieving its record-breaking lifting capacity of a staggering 26,000 kilograms, 57,000 pounds. The sheer size of the Mi-12 proved to be a double-edged sword. While it could carry immense cargo, it also presented a massive target on the battlefield. Additionally, its complex design translated into high maintenance costs, further hindering its practicality. Despite a handful of test flights, the Mi-12 never saw widespread deployment. The Fairey Rotodyne. The Fairey Rotodyne, born in the innovative 1950s, was a daring experiment in aviation. Imagine a machine that could take off like a helicopter, yet cruise at high speeds like a fixed-wing airplane. The Rotodyne aimed to achieve this seemingly impossible feat, and while it didn't become a commercial success, its legacy lives on as a testament to bold engineering. The Rotodyne's defining feature was its revolutionary tilting rotor. Imagine a giant fan blade that could adjust its angle. In helicopter mode, the rotor stood vertically, generating lift for takeoff and landing. Then, with a clever tilt mechanism, the rotor could be transitioned to a horizontal position, transforming it into a powerful airplane propeller for forward flight. Despite its unfulfilled promise, the Fairey Rotodyne left its mark on aviation history. It paved the way for future VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing aircraft concepts, proving that the dream of marrying helicopter agility with airplane speed wasn't entirely fantastical. Today, the Rotodyne serves as a reminder that innovation often walks a tightrope between audacity and practicality, and that even the most ingenious ideas can sometimes be grounded by the limitations of their time. Curtis-Wright VZ-7. Step into the realm of imagination, where a Jeep metamorphoses into an airborne wonder with a giant fan sprouting from its back. Such was the audacious vision realized by the Curtis-Wright VZ-7, affectionately known as the Aero Car, or the whimsically dubbed Flying Jeep. Born in the fertile grounds of 1950s innovation and commissioned by the U.S. Army, the VZ-7 heralded a new era of aerial reconnaissance and light transport with its singular design and lofty ambitions. Yet, for all its novelty and promise, the VZ-7 cut a rather peculiar figure in the skies. More akin to a whimsical contraption than a conventional aircraft, Its appearance often elicited amusement and curiosity in equal measure. Pilots, tasked with mastering its unconventional controls, grappled with the nuances of its flight dynamics, particularly during the delicate phases of landing. Vulnerable to the caprices of wind gusts and endowed with a modest payload capacity, the VZ-7 faced formidable challenges that ultimately shaped its fate. Sikorsky CH-54 Tarhe. When it comes to heavy lifting, few helicopters can match the capabilities of the Sikorsky CH-54 Tarhe, also known as the Flying Crane. Sporting a tandem rotor configuration with a unique double-bubble fuselage, the Tarhe was designed to transport oversized cargo such as tanks and artillery pieces. Its robust lifting capacity and unconventional appearance earned it a prominent role in military logistics operations, proving that weirdness can sometimes equate to practicality on the battlefield. These 5 helicopters represent just a glimpse into the fascinating and often peculiar world of military rotorcraft design. From the pusher that pulled to the half-helicopter, half-airplane, these machines showcase the ingenuity and sometimes the absurdity of human attempts to conquer the skies. As technology continues to advance, it will be interesting to see what strange and wonderful helicopters take flight in the years to come.